Hello everybody. Man, what a move today made, huh? Well, SPY actually hit the top end of 663.43 that I saw in the morning. The low side of 661.12 was pretty close pre-market, but once the bell went ding ding ding, the market decided to just run. And what a run it's had so far. It had such a good run that at 663.43 was consolidating for a little bit. Last Thursday we had a print going to 665. We did have that rally in the morning before it sold off. It was just 10 cents shy of actually hitting that print. So far we have two prints that have not hit. One from this morning, which is the 661.12, and last Friday's print of 659.62. Last Friday we got nowhere near even close to that. It was hitting that range early in the morning pre-market, but before that it was already running upwards. So we'll post a video of the possible ranges that we can see on the upside and the downside. Now just keep in mind, just because I tell you a number printed, it doesn't mean it has to hit that day. Sometimes it's going to hit the top and the bottom, and that's where you use VWAP to see how the market's behaving. Again, bullish is above VWAP, bearish is below VWAP. Depending on how the market sentiment is going to be, if it's very bullish, we won't see the bottom prints whatsoever. If it's going to be very bearish, the market doesn't even have to hit the top end. So it all depends on how the market's going to be reacting on that said date that I post on the prints that I see. Sometimes we can be chopping up and down, and towards the 10-minute rig you'll actually see a pop up to the print or pop down to the print. We haven't seen a big move like that, so it all depends on what happens throughout the day. I do hope that this does help you. Personally, it does for me. At least I know where my risk is going to be, where I can enter, where, as far as possible, the possibilities are of me having to exit with a loss, or if I can exit with a gain. But it also depends too, as far as for how long I can trade throughout the day, since I do work Monday through Friday. So trading is a little bit limited as far as for how much I can concentrate on the price action. So generally I just put a quick sell once I get into a certain target that I think is going to definitely hit, just to be safe for the day. So again, price doesn't have to hit the marks. It could take a week, it could take 2 weeks, or it can hit it within an hour or two. Like today, it hit it within the hour. So that was actually a pretty good run. Will we see the bottom hit from today's print? Well, Powell's on tomorrow, so who knows? Anything can happen. So we'll have to see what happens. But I do hope that this does help you in the sense of knowing how to manage your risk level as far as for the ranges that we can possibly see. So far, I have no further prints on the upside. They do remain all on the bottom side. So any prints that we hit, the top sides are always going to be yellow dashed lines, and anytime they do hit, we'll turn them solid. Anything towards the bottom would be red dashes, and then once they do hit, we'll turn them into red solids. I'm gonna have to probably reset them every 30 days, because Thinkorswim for some reason acts very strange with the lines that I have on the chart. If I have too many, for some reason I can't move them around or do anything with them, so I might have to reset them maybe every 15 days or so. Hopefully this finds some value, and if you like, please subscribe. Again, we'll be posting them an hour before the stock market opens, and good luck. Thank you.